here. So today I'm going to be trying another great glorious taste. So we're going to be trying goobers. So goobers smell really good. Wish you guys could smell this. But never tried these before. Never seen them in stores. I guess they're old, but they're still coming back. So this is goobers. Let's break into it. Still not as bad as breaking into Charleston's Chew. The hole's not very effective. But so this is a goober. Interesting. They taste like one candy that I've had before. They're chocolate covered peanuts. I have some more. So I guess once you get your first one out, they kind of fall out a little bit easier. Let me show you. See that? Now it's kind of they just kind of fall out once you get the first one out. So yeah, they're good. So that was it for today's episode. I hope you guys definitely enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave the biggest thumbs up ever. And peace out.